Good morning, Caleb here with Sunfine Solar. Welcome to another edition of the Solar Life. We're going to highlight a off-grid install. We have a young man building his first home, quite a ways away from the current utility supply. So this build was the perfect opportunity to jump into solar. So follow along with us. We hope you guys enjoy this series and let's head out to site. It's about innovative energy solutions. It's about a wise financial investment. It's about a contribution to our future. Welcome to the Solar Life. Welcome to site. We made her here. Look at that view, waking up to that every day. So we're going to be working on this rooftop. So we're going to start getting our roof anchors on today and rails and hopefully some DC electrical. So let's get up on the roof. Okay, we can see our flush mounts coming together here. So the majority of the modules are going to be mounted down here. We're going to have a few modules up here. So with this site, we decided with the client to do a flush mount roof mount system. And the reason for that was one, with the ground space that they had here, they had plans for all this space here. And so they didn't want to use it up for a ground mount. This space out here, they're going to have cattle in there. And so then the other option was a tilted roof mount system. But in this jurisdiction that we're in, this county, if you do a tilted roof mount as part of the building permit, then you have to get full engineering on it, structural engineering. So to minimize all that expense and potential expense beyond just the engineering, it was decided to do a flush mount, run the generator, and make up for that. So for this particular system, that was the plan forward. So throughout the year, it'll perform well. Each off-grid system really designed specifically for each client. We're going to make a little raceway here for our RPVU cable. We're going to drill the holes out, give it a little bit of a bend so the profile follows the roof. Okay, there we go. We have our raceway here, our gentle bend in there, got a hole and a hole for our anchor system on the roof. So let's get that up there. So just like that, we have a nice little electrical raceway for our interconnect cables. Okay, today we've been able to get some modules up. See if you hear, we have our rails, rapid shutdown devices on the roof there for our modules. Renee's plugging away, getting the last module up for today. So there's our end of day view. Sun will be going down pretty soon. For today, hope you guys enjoyed this little installment. So follow along. Cheers. Take care.